Today, we're looking at My Hero Academia, All Might in particular. All Might is a fictional character in an anime called My Hero Academia, in a world where 80% of the population has some sort of special ability called quirks. People who use their quirks for justice are called heroes, and those that use their quirks for distraction are villains. All Might, once quirkless, inherited a quirk called One for All. With his determination and quirk, All Might rose to become the #1 hero. It is not easy being at the top, especially as a hero, as you'll run into the strongest villains and they will destroy you, or at least they will try. All Might had such a match when he fought the boss villain, One for All, where All Might suffered a deadly injury, resulting in the villain boss being presumed dead. 6 years after the epic battle, All Might could no longer use his quirk, One for All, at a full extent.
Have no fear, students. I am
He
here.
sustained injuries, limiting the use of his power for just 3 hours a day. When he was not the mighty All Might, he was just a normal guy. But his new normal identity was kept as a secret from the public.
First to go will be your self-respect and ridiculous public image. Show the world how pitiful you really are.
One of his
Symbol
students,
of
Kachen, was kidnapped, and All Might and other heroes had to rescue him. During his rescue, One for All, who was presumed dead, appeared, and All Might, who was using his quirk for 2 hours, was at his limit. But All Might, the symbol of peace, remained unshaken in the face of death and humiliation. His weak state exposed to the public, all hope lost, but people still believed in All Might, as he then rose to the occasion and defeated his nemesis before retiring.